Hi everyone, this is Homes by Anne. In today's episode of Tea Time Tuesdays, let me take you through some of the smart renovation hacks I've seen some of my owners implement in their homes. I may not be able to show you the actual images, but I'll use 3D images to illustrate what I mean. Number 1. Knocking down walls. For example, hacking a kitchen wall to bring in more light and installing a glass sliding door as seen in the illustration. You can also knock down a wall under the staircase whenever you see a cross, which means that there is a void area. This area can then serve as additional storage space. However, please note that this doesn't count as the gross floor area and increases the load on the unit, so do get approval for this. Number 2. Raising the kitchen countertops. For this, I'm going to get Kaylin to do a live demonstration.
Hi, I'm Kaylin. So when I was renovating my own home, the height of the kitchen and bathroom countertops was something that was important to me. I felt the home where I was staying at the moment was the countertops were a bit low. So I researched and I found out that the standard heights of countertops in Singapore is about 85 cm. So here I am standing at this countertop, which is 85 cm. As you can see, to do food prep, I have to bend over a little bit and it gets a bit uncomfortable if you spend a lot of time in the kitchen. So here I am standing at this countertop, which is 90 cm, 5 more cm than the other one. As you can see, food prep is a lot more ergonomically comfortable. I'm 164 cm for reference, which is about the average height in Singapore. This is a hack that you can also apply to your bathroom countertops. Raise the sinks and the countertop heights so that you don't have to bend over as much to wash your face, and it results in less water splashing everywhere and less cleanup.
Number 3. Creating an opening to the exterior wall. So why is this even considered a renovation hack? Typically, anyone can do any renovation to their unit as long as it does not affect the structural walls. However, in this case, this is renovation done to the exterior wall of the condo. So this is the first time I've seen this happen, so let's take a closer look. In this situation, the exterior wall was located in between the staircase of the unit and the roof terrace of the same unit. The staircase was very dark and didn't get much light. Given this wall was still within the owner's compound and the facade of the condo did not change per se, approval was granted by the MCST. Number 4. Creating a door to the aircon ledge. Nowadays, aircon ledges are huge. One owner actually hacked away the wall leading to the aircon ledge and installed a door. In fact, it is not uncommon to see this. The developer for 8 at Woodleigh actually installed a door leading to the aircon ledge. This makes it convenient for the aircon contractors to do aircon servicing, and one can also use this space for laundry. Number 5. Installing a Ziptrack. A Ziptrack is basically motorized outdoor blinds. However, these are built in a way to ensure that rain does not get into the unit, and thus, the balcony or roof terraces can become usable space. Some condos may approve the use of Ziptracks, but not all do, so do check with your MCST. Once the Ziptrack is installed, some owners may even remove the balcony sliding doors and level up the flooring so they get a much bigger living area. Hope you enjoyed these 5 renovation hacks for your home. For any renovation involving structural walls, please remember to get a PE or professional engineer to assess the feasibility. Do leave me your comments and let me know if you have other great ideas. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.